Welcome to iCork Floor. Ordering samples of our flooring is easy, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Start by visiting our website at icorkfloor.com. Browse our wide range of cork flooring products. Once you find a product you're interested in, click on it to go to its specific page. On the product page, click the Get Free Sample button and then click Add to Cart. Want more samples? Simply repeat the process for other products, adding each to your cart. When you're ready, click the Checkout. Enter your shipping details, and if your billing and shipping addresses are the same, deselect Ship to Different Address. Review your order, and once everything looks good, click Place Order. Need larger samples? No problem. Here's how to order large flooring samples. Find the product you're interested in by browsing our product listings. On the product page, look just below the Free Sample button. There's a Get Large Sample button. Click it! This will take you to a page where you can add large samples to your cart. Simply select the quantity you need and click Add to Cart. Before checking out, make sure to add the specific product name in the Notes section. For example, if you're requesting a large sample of IHA 12mm silver birch floating cork flooring, mention that here. Once your samples are added, follow the same checkout process as you would for standard samples. Enter your details and place your order. And that's it! Expect your samples within 2 to 4 business days, delivered straight to your door. Your samples will help you make the best flooring decision for your space.